and right now I'm going to show you a home remedy on how to get rid of hiccups. There are so many different ways to get rid of hiccups, but this is the one that I found most effective when I was a server in a restaurant. What you want to do is just fill up a glass of water, lukewarm, not too cold, and don't put ice in it either. And then grab either a paper towel. What I have right now is a napkin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on top of the glass, and then what I'm going to do is drink out of this end from this position and just bend over and tilt it and drink a little bit until I feel that the hiccups are gone. And you can do this as long as you like, but it doesn't take that long, and I don't think it would take this whole glass of water either, maybe a fourth of it, and then your hiccups will be healed.